Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to make a normal voice call in my Android mobile and it shows could not connect, and this error is again and again occurring while I try to make a voice call for this particular person. So anyway, how to fix it? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, one time eject your SIM card and wait for a few seconds. So after the few seconds, once again insert your SIM card and then open your settings menu. So here you can go to connection settings and click to access mobile networks. So here you can check it if you select this network mode to automatic or not. So once you check it and then open network operators. So here you can always enable this automatic mode for your dual SIM cards. So once you done these processes, just go back to the settings main menu. So now this time you can locate app section and click to open it. So now it shows me all installed apps, but you can locate that phone application and click to open it. So here you can go to storage and one time clear this entire app data. So by simply press clear data option and then go back to the one step. So now this time you can click to access permissions. So here you can check it if all the permissions are allowed or not. So once you give the all access permission, just close all the settings window and one time restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, just try to make a one new call for that same particular person. So I hope now this time it does not show any other error notifications. So friends, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.